Hello students, welcome to the NEET series of the chapter The Living World from first year biology. First question, growth is extrinsic in all except options are snow mountains, sand dunes, crystals, PPLO. Here the growth is nothing but the increase in size of organisms. So here only the non-living things that will shows the extrinsic growth, that means the growth from outside. Here the first three are the non-living things, but the PPLO, it is nothing but a kind of bacteria which is also known like pleuropneumonia like organisms. So here it will show the intrinsic growth, the rest of them that will shows the extrinsic growth. So the right option is option 4. So the next question, the name of bacteriophage is standardized by ICBN, ICNB, ICVCN and ICZN. Here the bacteriophage is standardized by ICNB. That is nothing but International Code for Nomenclature of Bacteria and Bacteriophages. Next question, which of the following pair does not have a taxa of same hierarchy? Options are Poaceae and Hominidae, Dicotyledonea and Insecta, Primata and Mammalia, Chordata and Arthropoda. Here the right answer is, it is nothing but the Primata and Mammalia. Here the Poaceae and Hominidae, that were the family, that belongs to the family, and Dicotyledonea as well as Insecta, that belongs to the class, and the Chordata and Arthropoda, those were the phylum or division. But here the exception is nothing but Primata and Mammalia. Here the Primata is a order and Mammalia is a class. So the right option is option 3. Fourth question, mark true or false for the following statement and select the correct option. Options are, zoos are the place where wild animals are kept in captivity. B, flora provides the index to the plant species of a given area. Plant families are characterized on the basis of vegetative characteristics only. Here the true statements are nothing but the A and B, and the last one, the option C, is a false one, because the plant families are not only characterized by the vegetative characters, it also includes the reproductive characters. So the right option is option 2. Fifth question, which of the given taxonomic aids is used for both plants and animals? Options are flora, manual, key, zoological parks. Here taxonomical aids is used for both plants and animals. It is nothing but the manual, which will provide the information about the living organisms. It does not categorize on the plants and animals. Sixth question, ICNB stands for, options are International Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria, International Code of Nomenclature of Botany, Indian Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria, Indian Code of Nomenclature of Bacteriophage. Here the right answer is International Code of Nomenclature of Bacteria, but ICBN stands for International Code of Nomenclature, that is Botanical Nomenclature. Seventh question, consider the following statements and select the correct option. Options are, growth cannot be taken as defining property of living organisms. Reproduction is an exclusive defining characteristics of living organism. Metabolism can be regarded as defining feature of living organisms. All living organisms are self-conscious. So here the correct options from the following are nothing but A and C. So the right option is only A and C are correct, the second one, because growth cannot be taken as a defining characteristics, that does not define only the living organisms, even the non-living things also grow, but it is an extrinsic growth. And one more thing, the option C, metabolism can be regarded as defining feature of all living organisms. Here the metabolism is nothing but it is a sum total of chemical reactions. So it takes place only in living organisms. Therefore, it is a defining characteristics. So the right option is only A and C are correct. Eighth question. Herbarium sheets provide all the following information except. Options are vernacular name of the specimen, family of the specimen, lifespan of the specimen, name of the collector of that specific specimen. Here, the exception is lifespan of the specimen. The herbarium does not provide any information regarding the lifespan of the specimen. Ninth question. Which one of the following pair of categories belongs to the same taxonomic categories in taxonomic hierarchy? Options are Hominidae and Insecta, Poaceae and Musidae, Diptera and Mammalia, Arthropoda and Primata. Here the right option is Poaceae and Musidae. Here the Poaceae is a family that of wheat as well as Musidae is a family of housefly. So both belongs to the same taxonomic category. 10th question. Mark the incorrect statement with respect to binomial nomenclature. Options are these words collectively form binomial epithet. The name of the discoverer is printed in italics. Specific epithet starts with a small letter. Biological names are generally taken from Latin origin. Here, the binomial nomenclature is nothing but the organisms has given the name by two components. It is nothing but the genus name as well as specific epithet. So, it is also known as binomial epithet. And the next one, the name of the discoverer is printed in italics. Only the species name as well as genus name is printed in italics, not the name of the discoverer. The third one, specific epithet starts with a small letter, is of course the name of the genus that starts with a capital letter, but a species name or a specific epithet that starts with small letter. And biological names are generally taken from Latin language. This is also the right one because generally it is in the Latin language. So the right option here, the incorrect statement, it is nothing but the name of the discoverer is printed in italics. Thank you dear students. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel.